First, I'm going to prepare my skin with my skincare routine. I'm going to apply my moisturizer, my lotion, and my sunscreen. Now I'm going to apply my foundation. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild foundation and I'm going to mix it with my Glam Sunburst Glow Mixer. Now I'm going to take my water tint and apply it as blush. Yes, I'm applying blush before everything. And I'm going to blend it with my foundation brush. Can you see the perfect glow here? It looks so pretty. See, it has given a very nice rosy cheeks. Now I'm going to apply my concealer. So I'm using Maybelline. Now that I have waited a few seconds, I'm going to blend my concealer. Now that my concealer application done, I'm going to take my foundation brush again and blend everything together. Now I'm going to set my entire face and I'm going to use my Glam translucent powder. Now I'm going to set my entire face with a puffy brush. I'm going to take the loose powder on the brush, dab it here and dab it on the back of my hand, and then gently set my entire face. Dust off all the excess powder from your eyes. Now that my entire face is set, I'm going to start my eye makeup. I'm going to use my 35T Morphe palette, and at first I'm going to create a crease with this mauve pink shade. This is called Chill Moment. Now before applying anything, I'm going to apply a shimmer shadow on my brow bone. I'm taking the flat brush and I'm going to take this shimmer shadow. This is called Day in the Life. Apply it on my brow bone. A very sheer highlighting color just to blend everything together. Now I'm going to take the previous color again and blend. I'm going to take this red color and apply it on the outer corner. So for placing the color, I'm using this flat brush. And now I'm going to just simply place it, by tapping it. Just create a V and then we'll blend it like this. Just soften the edges and blend everything together. If you think you need to enhance a little bit of the pigment, you can apply it one more time and then blend again, okay? Now for a little bit more depth on the outer corner, I'm going to apply a bit darker burgundy shadow. So I'm taking this burgundy shadow. Now I'm going to take this burgundy shadow and apply it on the very outer corner of my eyes and blend it with the red to give my eyes a little more depth. I'm not going to drag it outwards. I'm just going to place it on the edges of my outer corner. And then I'm going to blend it again with my previous brush. Make sure you blend the burgundy color with the red very smoothly, otherwise it will look patchy. See, it has blended so smoothly. Now I'm going to apply whatever is left under my lower eyelash. The reason I blended every shadow with the same brush is because it makes it look very seamless. Can you see? You cannot find any harsh line in the look. It just blends everything like a butter. When you are using colors of the same scale, you should use one brush to blend everything together. So now I'm going to apply some shimmer shadow on my inner corner. So I'm going to use this one. I'm taking a flat brush and I'm taking this shimmer shadow. I'm applying it in a way to look like a cut crease. Now make sure you blend the shimmer with the mattes with the same brush you used. I'm going to apply the same shimmer on the inner corner of my eyes, on the lower eyelash. Okay. Now I'm going to dust off any fallouts from the eye look. Now before applying anything, I'm going to do my brows. At first I'm going to brush off my brows. Take a flat brush and I'm going to use this shade. Now that my brows are done, I'm going to apply eyeliner. So I'm going to create a wing eyeliner. I'm using this Flormar eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply a nude eyeliner on my waterline. Now at first I'm going to apply highlighter on my face, then mascara, and we'll be done. So I'm going to use this highlighter from Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. I'm not going to do any harsh contour, but I'm going to do a bit contouring on my cheeks and my jawline. Now let's curl our eyelashes. I'm going to apply a bit of highlighter on my inner corner and on my brow bone. So I'm going to do a little bit of nose contouring. So I'm taking my contour shade on the brush. And now I'm going to apply my mascara. I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensation Mascara. Now that our mascara application is done, I'm going to apply my lipstick. So as I have bold eyes, I'm going to create a very nude lipstick. I'm going to use my Beauty Glazed lip liner in the shade Expose. And I'm going to use my lipstick from Mars. This is called Elegance. This is a very nice peachy shade. In the center, I want a little bit of pinky shade. That's why I'm going to apply Peaches and Cream from Swiss Beauty. This is a very nice peachy pink. And that's it.